A lot of excitement around the world today because DJI have just unveiled their latest drone. It is the Mavic Air. It is a smaller version of the Mavic Pro and probably a more sophisticated version of the Spark, the little baby brother. But what the Spark doesn't do, shoot 4K at 100 megabit. This guy does it, and it also has a 3-axis gimbal. This thing has sensors all over it, so you can safely navigate a place. Not only will it stop it running into things, but it'll move its way around it. Very clever drone, can't wait to try it out. 21 minutes flight time, about $1,500 in about 5 days' time. You'll get up about 4 kilometers in distance in terms of flight and a whole heap of hand gestures for autonomous flight. So very smart drone, amazing camera quality. About 5 days' time, you'll be able to buy one for yourself. I reckon I'll just fly off the shelves. Can't wait to try one out myself. That is the Mavic Air, launched here today in Australia at Luna Park in Sydney.